Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Let's do this. We are back at Universal Studios Hollywood. We're going to be getting updates from Fast and Furious. Maybe if we get lucky, something Horror Nights. Yep, you never know.
I hope.
We could only hope. It is February, right?
February 8th.
Any day a tent could come.
Any day.
If the rain stops. If the freaking rain stops.
I want to see something. I don't know.
I know. But we're going to check out merch, just walk around, have fun at Universal. Hollywood and Dine now has a new menu and lots to choose from. Park ramen noodles, longevity noodles, orange chicken, golden dragon corn dog. They got a big pretzel again. Oh my lance, I don't know. It doesn't say what flavor it is. Black pepper beef. And then they also got some new drinks. Baby Dragon, Dragon's Breath, Fortune Cookie, Frap. What? That's new. I've never seen that. And Golden Mango Tea. I feel like I've had that one before and I really enjoyed it. We're not going to get any of these items today because I just had a lot of food over there at Power Up Cafe. Big shout out to Universal for inviting us to Power Up Cafe media event. I have a whole video separate where we go over all the drinks, all the foods, even the popcorn, everything on the menu. So go check out that video. But in today's video, it's all about updates and just walking the park over here at Universal and seeing what's new. We got two Minions and Gru out here for meet and greet. Moulin Rouge has now gone behind walls. This is where you would have lunch or dinner for your VIP experience at Universal Studios Hollywood. I've been to it during Horror Nights and we did the RIP tour. Wonderful buffet out here. I love it. Feels good to be back out here for some Fast and Furious updates. From the last time we were here, it doesn't look like too much change has happened, but it's been pouring rain heavily out here at Hollywood. As you can see the wall going up right here at the bottom area. It is cool to see people at work though, with whatever they're doing. From what we have heard, this is going to be the show building and the loading area. This ride has been rumored to have lockers because it's going to go upside down and do lots of crazy stuff out here on this hillside. With as much progress has been going down, the rain has just been a disaster. It just never stopped. So this whole hillside is just muddied up. Probably has got messed up now with the progress they were trying to do. Hopefully things can dry out and they can get back to work. But honestly, it looks amazing overall still. Gosh, I can't believe we're getting this roller coaster. It's so wild. Ooh, I hear dinosaurs. We're gonna get on the studio tour before it gets too late. The last tour today, 4:15 on this beautiful Thursday. And let me tell you, it is cold out here, so be prepared. Double layer, honestly. We got the wood now covered up. Is this wood for Horror Nights? Will this be used for Horror Nights? That is the question. I love this location.
On your right hand side, this soundstage is on the right, 97 Really? I lost you on that one? Okay. And then we've got some vehicles here from the Jurassic Park series, more specifically Jurassic World. Take a look at the gyrosphere coming up here from Jurassic World. You may notice there's something missing from it that was part of the film. Can anybody tell me what it is? The glass, that's right! The big glass bubble. Well, guess what? Something can't be missing if it didn't exist to begin with. It was never there. It was superimposed in post-production in the process of CGI, computer-generated images. Not everything is what it seems in the lot or when you see it on screen, like that Bradley fighting vehicle we're passing right now. Take a look. She's only
Oh, we're stopping! No! It just never stops raining. Too much rain out here.
looks like that. I guess all that racing got oh my gosh, my friends in the background.
Stop rating.
Both made for Gilligan's Island's TV movie. We're filmed there. Wait, I know that guy. That's Steve. Hey, Steve! Yeah, I think it's a good idea for you to be in there. Give me this! What's that on the right-hand side? Oh, no! Oh, there. I know folks are like, oh, what's going on? We're passing that area where the Bates Motel, and you're also going to see an airplane crash over here on your left-hand side. They are setting up production for the 60th anniversary of the studio. So we're going to have to go back and visit us. We're doing some repairs. Norman Bates dumped Marion Crane's car after the infamous scene in Psycho. But it has been used for filming in many other films. You'll see just a little up here. Such films as, of course, Jaws: The Revenge. We talked about that. That's why the big blue backdrop exists. It was built before that film. So all those clouds and stuff is still in the background. That was just painted on. Also, alien films such as
On the studio tour, we did not go to Bates Motel or War of the Worlds. It looked like they're working on stuff, and they even said it on the studio tour. It's for the 60th anniversary, so new sets to come, I'm guessing. But the interesting part was the path that's being created behind War of the Worlds. Why is that being created? Is the War of the Worlds set, could something be happening there? Either being removed, switched, or are we just gonna skip that certain area? I don't know. A lot of questions to be had with studio tour, but I can't wait to just have everything back. Earthquake is dearly missed. Power Up Cafe is set to open on the 15th of February, but we got the New Yorkers back up here.
Yeah, like I said, kick you in the next Tuesday.
Kick me in the next Tuesday.
Kick you in the next Tuesday.
Yeah,
Weird.
they know what they're doing.
There's not too much room in Power Up Cafe. Thankfully, things go pretty fast, you know, once you place your order and the food comes out fast. But the line, there you go, it's starting to happen. And come next week, the grand opening, it's gonna get busy out here. What I'm really concerned, how are the fire towers gonna play a role with all this going on? Because we cannot not have the fire towers, you know? We need the fire towers.
The fire test behind it.
So push them back a little?
Around there.
Yeah.
But the pot, how are they going to do with the pot?
I know, it's gonna get tight for Horror Nights out here. With Power Up Cafe now open, or like eventually open, officially open, I guess. We need the fire towers, that's what I'm trying to say. Hello Kitty is now meeting and greeting in her Lunar New Year attire, and it's right outside her store. Last thing to do on today's adventure, Universal Studio Store. Let's see if there's anything new. They keep selling Chucky stuff. Is Chucky coming to 2024 again? They still got the Chucky shirt, Chucky lunch pail. Would you be happy or sad or mad if Chucky came back?
Like maybe a little bit of both. It's just like a one-time thing, and then it's just come back 6 more years.
Give him a break for like 5 years, and then we'll be hyped again, you know?
Yeah.
Chucky coming back again, it's a little much. I feel
If we had 10 mazes, I'll be fine with it coming back.
but 10 mazes.
Yeah, 10 mazes, yeah.
Then who cares, right?
Yeah,
Bring Chucky.
Yeah.
Taking a look at all the Nintendo stuff out here. I'm guessing we're gonna see some new Nintendo stuff because the 1 year anniversary is right around the corner, the 17th. So I think I'm gonna come that day and see if anything does drop that day. I don't recall seeing either one of these Bowser shirts. Huh. Bowser Cup? Bowser Challenge? Okay. Even a patch? Got in a keychain? Dude, I'm digging the Bowser stuff. What? Bowser challenge. I was like, is this for the meatball? The spicy meatball? Very cool. Also on your way out, don't forget to go to the studio store cash register and ask for your past member magnet. And if you do the scavenger hunt, you get a past member pin or button. Very cool, very cool. Love you, Universal. Thank you everybody for watching By Fire's YouTube. Awesome day out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Be prepared, it is freaking cold. I wish I double layered out here. I don't even think I could wear shorts anymore. It's getting that cold. I guess that's just how it is in February, but be prepared for that. We are gonna come back very soon. We're gonna go to the lower lot, go have fun over there in Super Nintendo World, do Jurassic World. I miss seeing the Indominus Rex. Is the Indominus Rex back? I don't even know. But thank you guys so much. We'll be back very soon. Smash that like button. We are firing it down, firing it down. The Cali Bay is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mondo.